Think of the future of lighting technology and the transformation it brings to our daily lives. Imagine walking through a home where every corner is lit with the brilliance of LED, reflecting a sustainable, elegant, and efficient lifestyle. LED lights. Illuminate your world with brilliance, warmth, and efficiency. Transitioning into a glowing LED bulb is changing the world for the better, using less energy and bringing brighter, more brilliant color to your world. LED lights are more than just bright, they're a beacon for the future. Save energy and reduce your carbon footprint without sacrificing quality. Rooms, each adorned with stylish LED lights. From minimalistic designs to vintage charm, find the perfect LED lights to suit your style. Transform every corner of your home into a masterpiece. Rooms changing colors with mood lighting, children playing under colorful LED lights. Bring life to your space with adjustable brightness and an array of vibrant colors. Create the perfect ambience for any occasion. LED bulb outlasting traditional bulbs. Invest in quality that lasts. LED lights shine brighter, longer, and consume less energy. Save money and enjoy a more sustainable lifestyle. Installing LED lights with ease. Switching to LED lights has never been easier. You'll have your home glowing in no time. Join the lighting revolution today. Order now and light up your life. www.loveyourlighting.com. Visit Love Your Lights, illuminate your world. Visit loveyourlighting.com.